Welcome, I am Kevin Bewersdorf, CEO, GEARt.e.k Corporation. GEARt.e.k Corporation is a non-solutionary entity. It's an entity which aspires to represent complex constituencies through the utilization of GEARt.e.k related items and facilities in today's world. And this is a brief promotional video which details G-factor-X protocol variable. That particular protocol variable is a self-enclosing terminology. It's a terminology that can be utilized, the first terminology which can be utilized in the same manner as GEARt. GEARt.e.k Corporation aspires to represent complex constituencies through the utilization of GEARt.e.k related items and facilities in today's world. G-factor-X protocol variable is a terminology which was developed by GEARt.e.k Corporation as the first terminology which can be enclosed, as self-enclosing terminology, and the first terminology which can be utilized. A finite, non-enumerated number of terminologies equal in proportion to G-factor-X could not be utilized due to the non-apparency of function and due to the separation of utilization and function in any utilization. G-factor-X protocol variable, however, was utilized by GEARt.e.k Corporation at the semi-stationary mobile world headquarters facility. It's a world headquarters facility which was in place in February of 2004. We did utilize G-factor-X at that point in time and noted the presence, a certain presence of a flickering digi. G-factor-X protocol variable is the first terminology which can be utilized in the same manner as GEARt. Terminologies cannot be utilized because they enclose outwardly upon us, but a finite number of non-enumerated terminologies equal in combination to G-factor-X cannot be utilized, whereas G-factor-X is a singular and enclosed protocol variable which can be utilized. Because we had never utilized a terminology, once we did utilize a terminology, we were surprised with the functions of this utilization due to the non-apparency of function. The non-apparency of function at GEARt.e.k Corporation makes the utilization and function separate from each other of our GEARt.e.k related items and facilities, for example. But when you're dealing with G-factor-X, this is a terminology which can for the first time be utilized. When this terminology was utilized, a flickering digi did come into presence. This is a terminology made by GEARt.e.k Corporation for a presence of a solutionary-based terminology misplaces entity. GEARt.e.k Corporation GEARt.e.k Corporation is a non-solutionary entity. It is
GEARt.e.k Corporation.